Hi guys, welcome back to another episode, and I know this is sideways already, but it fixes itself later, but right now we are making a car race. I'm going to be narrating, as you might hear in the background instead of them talking really high pitched. That's because we're going in fast motion. In the background you might hear some stuff because Wumbo's playing his game, but it fixes itself here. This is a time lapse of us building a course for remote control cars to go through. So, yeah. So we're going to start building. It's very quick. We do some off camera. Yep. Cardboard boxes. Gonna set it all up. You can hear some music in the background, which is okay. Do, 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 do. Sorry about the fuzzy footage. Yeah, you can see us time-lapsing us doing it. Building very quickly. This is for a course, then we're going to play it. Yeah, it's going to be very cool.
Pretty legit.
Pretty legit. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, then we're going to do it like this. Going to fix them up. Put the tunnels over there. It was very cool in time-lapse. We do a lot of off-camera, but then at the end we show you the final course. So we keep on building. Keep on building. Keep on building. Derp, 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 derp. Derp, 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 derp. Back to another episode. So today, me and Wumbo put up this obstacle course. We have a behind-the-scenes video where we make it. But it's a car race. What you gotta do here? I'm going to be on the big car. Wumbo's gonna be on the small car.
We're all gonna switch.
Yeah. We both come down here. One car might get an advantage when one goes ahead of the other one. They have to go under this table. Come here. Around the bin. This small car gets a small tunnel, and the big car gets the big tunnel. They come around over here. They go behind this huge box. Behind this cup. Under the shovel. They circle back, and then they race. And the first one to land in the box wins. That's our course. Let's get started. Again, Wumbo's on the small car. I'm on the big one.
I didn't see this part.
Trying to get everything in.
I don't think that'll work.
Then how about we time each person? We go one at a time.
Yeah, let's just time them.
Yeah. First up, Wumbo, you want to go first?
Sure. Here's my phone.
I'm filming it on here.
No, it's a timer.
Oh. You can check a movie.
Oh.
Let's go.
Then we don't know.
We'll see you first. We'll find out. 2, 1. We're going. Under this. Oh, he got stuck. He's getting stuck. I bet I can eat this easy. Under the tunnel he goes. He missed the bucket, but it doesn't matter. The bucket really doesn't matter. Nice. Go, go, go. Ha, 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 ha. Keep on going. You can do it. And under the tunnel he goes. 30 seconds now. Under the tunnel. Turns around. Turn around. You still?
Didn't work.
He's going for the tunnel.
And
50 seconds! Exactly!
50.73.
Yay!
Okay.
I'm gonna,
Oh, didn't get stuck like the other one did. Now, can you get through that triangle thing? Can he? He's having troubles. Oh, he goes to the bucket. 20 seconds. Oh, he's trying to go backwards, but he fails. Can he? Can he do it? Oh. This is a very tight predicament. Just go forward. You're wasting so much time.
He wins!
That's a 5-second penalty for breaking the course. Has to go out to the bucket.
I know, I lost.
That's going to be good enough. Just go under the thing and then try to get in the bucket.
I totally am going to
You're totally lost. Oh my god. Try to get in the thing at least. And time. Okay, so
It's too hairy.
he destroyed it.